Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome to this class. My name is Okunlola Hannah and you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So this is a continuation of the series I started recently on how to make use of the INSHOT app in editing videos. So if you've not watched my previous video, please try to watch it. And after that, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So after you searched for the song you would love to make use of, you click on use, and that way you'll be able to make use of the song. As for this love sign here, once you click on it, it will easily put the song at the top and you won't struggle to search for it. So here is the dashboard, and as you can see, you notice that some of these options were not clicking, but the moment you click on the song, it will work. So once you need it, you have to click on the song. As for this long line that you are seeing here, it is like a cursor. It helps you to locate where each option will fall into. So wherever you put the line determines where whatever the option you are choosing will fall onto. Like you can see now, when I clicked it and put the song there, you can see that it was the way that line was, the song was. So now I'm just going to click on the song and try to drag it back. So now I've dragged it back to the beginning of the song. So all this option is very easy to use. It is not hard. All you need to do is just to learn to play around it. So the moment I clicked on the song, all those options were able to come out. It popped out. And the first one I will be explaining is the editing option. So when I click on it, the song will start playing because we are trying to edit the song. So the purpose of this is because you'll be able to just crop out the major part of the song you need. And here you can also reduce the volume. The upper part you can use in cropping the major part you need, whether from the beginning and at the end. You know, there are some songs that is just the chorus you need. You just crop the specific thing you need out. And on this fade in option, it will help you to make the song as this kind of beautiful intro. It won't be too sharp from the beginning. It will just come in lightly. So that's the reason for it. Like now, let's test it. Look at what it will sound like. I'm sure you noticed the effect it gave to the song. Now, another part is the cropping part. Using our cursor, you will place it and you click on split and you try to crop the song. Maybe you want to crop it that once like for example now, once I said, hey lovelies, I do not want the song to play anymore. So after clicking it, you try to delete it. Then you click on the song and click on edit. When you click on edit, it will be able to take us to the option where we'll be able to fade the song out. So maybe you are trying to fade the song out for a few seconds so that when I am going to start saying, hey lovelies, it will look very smooth and nice. So this is the fade out option. You can work with maybe 5 seconds, 6 seconds, or even more than that. You can do maybe like maybe 1 second or something. So now let's try it and let's see what it looks like. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you got what I was trying to explain there. So now that is for the editing option. We are going to be moving to the next option, and that is the equalizer option. So I hardly make use of this for recorded songs already because I believe that the producers have done a good job in that. But in another option, I'll be explaining to you what this equalizer is for, and that is for the voiceover option. So without further ado, let's move to the next option, which is the beat option. This option that has beat on it. So this beat feature is used to add some effects to your songs. Like it has a way of giving it this kind of DJ funny effect. So when you click on plus, on that point the cursor is touching, it will add an effect to it. So now let me just try to pick different effects and I will show you what it sounds like. So in case you don't like the result of the effect, all you need to do is to click on this brush and it will erase everything off. And that is that about that. Now the next option is this voice effect. This voice effect helps you to clone voices. Like it will help you to clone a lot of voices, especially if you are making use of a song that might be subjected to copyright and maybe they won't allow you to make use of it. So it can give you the voice of a child, the voice of a man, the voice of a woman, a lot of voices. What matters is you practicing and playing around all these features. So now let's clone the voice. So if peradventure you do not like any of the voices, click here to take off it and it will give you back your original voice. Now the next option is the duplicate option. From the meaning of duplicate, when you click on it, it will just give you another set of song. You do not need to start editing the song, looking for the song and everything. So that is all we need to learn in the music option. So now the next feature to work on is the effects feature. And when you click on it, it is going to take you to this place like so. And when we talk about effect, it is talking about different kind of sounds, as in different sounds that beautifies video. This imported option, it means that the songs that you've clicked already and you make use of. Why the favorite means the sound, the voices that you chose, that you prefer or you like. So now we are going to be choosing them one after the other. We can't play everything, but I'll try my best to play some of the voices for you.
What's this? Yes?
Thank you.
Hello. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday!
Here, hi, hi.
So there's a lot of effect sounds depending on the kind of sound you are trying to achieve. So try to play around it. And remember that you cannot access it without data. So you need a data to access those sounds. So now the next feature for us to learn is the recording feature, and it is this feature that helps you to explain about how to do voiceovers, all those voices that people record on top of videos. And to do that, the first thing you need to know is that you need to know the position where you want the voiceover to start from. So when you know the position you want your voiceover to start from, not maybe from the place the song is coming into, maybe recorded song or the original video, the next thing you have to do is to split your video. The reason why we tend to split video is you have to be able to take off the original voice. As in, when you recorded the video, there's an original voice that comes with it. So you have to cut off that part that you do not want the original voice to show at. And from that point, you'll be able to mute the original voice. If you do not do that, you'll be hearing different voices from your original video and from your voiceover. So after you've split, wherever you're just muting, it will just be on that major video you split. Then the next thing for you to go is you search for the volume icon, and on that point you see something like this, and you can see I have splitted the video into two, the part I want to show and the part I don't want this voice to show. Another thing you need to take note of is these two marks. We have the single and the double marks. The single is just for the specific video you marked. While the double, when you mark that double mark, it will affect all the videos, meaning that all the videos, the volume, whatever level you put the volume on, will affect all the videos. So aside from that, also we have the denoise option. So on that denoise option, it will help you to reduce the noise level to an extent. Then after you've set all this volume to these settings, you are going to click on the audio option and the record option. Then you also set your cursor to the part that you want to record your voiceover from. Then now we can start recording the voiceover. Then also make sure that you place your mouth closer to where the mouthpiece is on your phone. That part that sounds like the speaker point of your phone. That part that it sounds like speaker comes from your phone. Then you record, and when you are satisfied, you click on the red button also. Now let's listen to what we've recorded. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okolola Anna, and today we are learning how to take measurements for an underbust corset. So you need So please ignore the noise as of the time I was recording this video. So now one of the major things you need to understand is that when you are doing a voiceover, you need a serene environment. But regardless, there are some little noise that might still chip in while recording the voiceover. That is the reason why you need to do some few editing. And I'm going to be showing you some features in which you can use in controlling some noise that might come into your voiceover while you were recording. Though it might not be 100% cleared, but especially if you have a phone with a clear sound, but to an extent it can be controlled. That is if you recorded your voiceover in a serene and quiet environment. So still under the record option, you are going to click on this denoise option, and when you click on it, the audio you recorded will be denoised. Welcome back to Make sure you click on the audio you wish to denoise before you do that. Then afterwards, after you've clicked on that denoise option, we also have another option which is called the equalizer option. This will help you to make to control some voices. For example, we have the bass option for those who do not have thick voice. It will increase it. For people that has thick voice like mine, you press the bass minus, it will reduce it. The treble to increase those who do not have enough tiny voice. It will not even look artificial, it will just help you naturalize your voice. So all these options to an extent has one or two things it does. But if you do not like any of these options, you click the normal option. So now let's listen to our work. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okolola Anna, and today we are learning how to take measurement for an underbust corset. So you need to know how to locate where your underbust is, so you can be able to take a proper measurement for the underbust corset. Also, you can choose to trim unwanted sounds. I intentionally left that sound of a large vehicle passing by so that you can be able to trim off sounds that you do not like. You can re-record, you can control your sound, you can increase the volume, you can reduce the volume of your sounds. There's a lot of options that you can do when you are trying to edit or when you are trying to record a voiceover. So when you see a sound that you do not like, all you need to do is just to place the cursor and crop it off. You split. There's a split option for every feature on the InShot. So you place your cursor there, you split it, or you re-record that part that you do not like. Then remember that after you re-record, you make use of your denoise option and your equalizer, so everything will be balanced. So now let's try to listen again to what I have done so far. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okolola Anna, and today we are learning how to take measurement for an underbust corset. So you need to know how to locate where your underbust is, so you can be able to take a proper measurement for the underbust corset. So aside from the part that the car was sounding, you will notice that my voice was getting better and smoother. So when you record in a serene environment, you should expect something more beautiful than that. So lovelies, here is the end of the class for today. I hope you are going to practice what you've learned so far. So if you have questions, please ask in the comment section. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment, like and share. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.